I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to let you try first.
Wait, now, is this...
This is CNN Breaking News.
Sorry to interrupt the Coursera program, but we have some breaking news. Huge flooding has touched France. Matt, can you tell us what is the situation in Paris? Thank you, Stephen. I'm here on the banks of the river Seine, not far from the Eiffel Tower. The water has gone up 6.20 meters and covered the parking lot and the streets. The main reason of this natural disaster is due to heavy rain. It has rained the equivalent of 1 month for the last 24 hours over France. Here is one of the many villages that got hit by rain. Luckily, the security department, with help of many volunteers, were able to evacuate trapped people using boats and military trucks. Many rivers reached their critical levels, and the damage caused on house, public constructions, and cars are estimated already to be more than 1 billion euros. The police try to help in every case and sometimes using any means available. But it doesn't work all the time. For some people, this flood is a disaster, but for some, it's a playground. Some people take this as an opportunity to swim in the river. Okay, so I'll try to get one of the swimmers out of the water so I can interview them. Excuse me, hello, can you get out of the water, please? I'd like to interview you.
Ah, bonjour.
Do you speak English?
Only a little.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Jean-François.
Isn't the water a little cold to swim in?
For sure it is, but you know it's very rare that the Seine is flooded and I can swim in it.
It seems to make you happy.
Yeah, because I don't need to go to work, but don't tell my boss.
Okay, I won't tell your boss and anybody else outside CNN. So bye-bye.
Okay, no problem.
And thank you again.
Au revoir.
So this is the situation in Paris. It's scheduled that it will rain in Paris, but everybody hopes that it won't. Bon, why? This is Mateo. This is Matt from CNN. Thank you, Matt, for your immense braveness. Now, let's come back to our regular show.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Ok, ça filme. T'as raison, commence, regarde en bas et tu... Ok.
C'est pas bon?
On commence.
Voilà.
Monte pas trop à lui, ça, quand tu te lèves. Allez, ça filme.
Well, I'm out of here.
Elvis?
Non, vas-y. Moi, j'ai rien fait ici. Au revoir.
Moi, j'ai rien à faire ici. Au revoir.
Voici ta